Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn on dark mode on Reddit. Maybe you want to reduce eye strain and makes nighttime browsing more comfortable while also conserving battery life. So today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, scroll up, and here, you will now see this dark mode option. Since you wanted to turn on dark mode, simply toggle on the switch next to this option. After that, you now have successfully turned on dark mode on Reddit. The application will now be viewed in a darker theme that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn on dark mode on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn on dark mode on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.